Guys, there are multiple ways to earn money online just by staying at home. You can earn money from YouTube, you can earn money from blogging, or you can publish applications on the Play Store and earn money, and you can make money from Facebook page. Yeah guys, you heard me right. You can make money from Facebook page by monetizing your page, which is similar to YouTube monetization. And guys, there's difference between Facebook personal account and Facebook page. It's not the same. Many people will think that Facebook personal account is nothing but an Facebook page, but it's not. Now I'm going to give you an example. Now Facebook personal account is like one Gmail account, and Facebook page is like one YouTube channel. Now without a Gmail account you cannot create a YouTube channel. So similarly, without a Facebook personal account you cannot create a Facebook page. Guys, recently Facebook introduced this Facebook page monetization in India. So if you get your channel or if you get your Facebook page monetized, then ads starts playing on your Facebook page videos on your Facebook page, similar to YouTube, and you can start earning. On YouTube, YouTube takes around 45% of the revenue which is generated on your channel, and the remaining 55% of the revenue is given to you. So similarly, even Facebook does the same. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for monetization on your Facebook page, and I'm also going to tell you what is the eligibility criteria. Now guys, if you're new to my channel, I'm Vasu, and you're watching TechnoVas. And guys, before we start the video, make sure you drop a like on this video. Okay guys, now without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Okay guys, now once you create a Facebook page, it will look exactly like this. And guys, watch this video carefully till the end. I'll show you how to apply for monetization. Now onto your left side, you'll find an option called Creator Studio. So click on this option. Now you'll be redirected to an home page just like this. Here it will display all the page analytics and other stuff. You can see how your videos are doing and how much engagement you're getting on your videos. But if you come onto your left side, you'll find an option called monetization. So click on that option. Now here it will show you totally how many pages you have. Guys, I have 3 Facebook pages for all my 3 YouTube channels. Once I upload video to my YouTube channel, I'll upload that same video onto these pages. Now if your page is eligible for monetization, then it will show eligible. If not, it will show ineligible. Now if you scroll down a little bit, you'll find an option called other monetization tools. So click on this option. The first one is in-stream ads, which is similar to skippable and non-skippable ads. Here it's showing criteria not met, which means that I'm still not eligible to get this feature. The second and third one is fan subscriptions and stars, which is similar to channel membership and super stickers on YouTube. The fourth one is brand collabs manager. Even this is showing criteria not met. Now in order to get this feature, what should we do? To check, click on view criteria. The first one which we should have is followers. We should have at least 10,000 followers on a page. The second thing is engagement, which means that if you make a 3-minute long video, then that video should have at least 30,000 1-minute views. That means people should watch at least 1 minute of that video, and it should have 30,000 views. Guys, don't worry, if you get like 1 lakh views, then easily you'll get 30,000 1-minute views. Guys, remember, this is not just for one video. Combining all videos on your page, overall you should have a minimum of 30,000 1-minute views. Here I have 3% and 2%. Once you complete once you have like 100%, then this thing will become green. Now let's see the brand collab manager criteria. For this, you should have at least 1000 followers, and you should have 15,000 post engagements in the last 60 days, or you should have 1,80,000 minutes viewed, combining all your videos in the last 60 days, or you should have 30,000 1-minute views in the last 60 days. So guys, Facebook is giving you 3 options. Out of these 3 options, you should have at least any one option enabled. Compulsorily you should have followers and any one of these 3 options. Now down below you'll find the monetization tools and the criteria to get it. I've already explained it. And guys, one more important thing, to monetize the video, your video should be at least 3 minutes long. I've explained this brand collab manager also, so let's move on to the next one. The next one is fan subscriptions. Guys, once your page gets monetized, then automatically you'll get this fan subscription. Okay guys, now I'll show you how to apply for monetization. So just click on the setup option. Now select the page which you want to monetize and click on start setup. Now you should agree for the terms of service. You can see here I've already accepted this. Now under setup payment method, you should add all your details like bank details and your home address. So click on setup account. Now select the country. I'll just select India. Under business type, select individual. Type your name here, your home address, the city where you live. Now select your state and add your area pin code and add your phone number here. And under legal info, just add your PAN card number. Now click on next. Okay, I forgot to fill up the email, so just put your email ID in this box. Click on next. Okay guys, now here you should add your bank details. This is how you get paid. Just select your bank country and shift code, account number and account holder's name. After filling all this, just tick this box and click on link bank. Guys, once your page becomes eligible for monetization and after you apply, your page goes for review. And once Facebook accepts you for their monetization program, ads will start playing on your videos and you will start earning money. Guys, if you have any doubts regarding this topic, then leave a comment down below in the comment section. Okay guys, I hope this video is helped you. If so, then please to drop a like on this video. And guys, on this channel I make all YouTube growth related videos and Instagram related videos and sometimes Facebook related videos. So if you're a YouTuber and Instagrammer, then consider subscribing. If you're a subscriber, I'll meet you on the next video. Until then, peace.